What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I want to show you how to use nearby sharing on an Android tablet and on an Android device. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. This is my LG Velvet. So I did a video like this a couple of months ago to where I had my Tab S4 and my Galaxy A51. And then when I did the video, it was called Quick Share, and you were only able to do it between a Samsung device and another Samsung device. But now you can use Nearby Share and share a video and a photo to any Android device, almost like how iPhone has AirDrop. This is called Nearby Share. So what you would need to do is, on your phone, you would need to make sure that your Wi-Fi and your you want to make sure that Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is connected on your device. And you want to also make sure that on your tablet or whatever device, it does not have to be a tablet, it can also be another phone, but I'm using a tablet. You want to make sure that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth on your tablet is also connected. Then you want to go to whatever you want to send. So I'm going to send something from my LG Velvet to my tablet. So you want to go to your gallery like so. And you want to find something that you want to send. So say we want to send this picture. Then you would hit share. Then you would want to scroll to where it says Nearby Share. Hold on, let me turn the brightness down so you can see what I'm doing. Hold up. Okay. You want to go to where it says Nearby Share. You want to press it. And it is looking for nearby devices. And as you can see, my Kia's tablet popped up. So you just want to hit that. And you get the little ring animation like you would on the iPhones. And it says waiting for device to accept. So then on your tablet, you want to come down here and just hit accept. And just like that, that picture that I sent from my Velvet is right here on my tablet. Same thing, if you want to send a video, you go into your gallery, find a video that you want to send. So let's send this one right here. Well, no, that's a photo. Let's send this video to my tablet. So you would hit share. And then Nearby Share. And it's looking for my tablet. Boom, once it finds my tablet, all you want to do is hit on that. And then on your tablet, you want to hit accept. And just like that, it is sending over. It's pretty fast, but it's also goes off of your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is fast, it's going to work easily. But if your Wi-Fi is kind of slow, you're going to be waiting. And thank goodness our Wi-Fi was updated. So now I do not have to wait as long as I would when it was a little slower. And boom, just like that, it is loading. Boom, just like that, it's done. And if I go to my gallery, that video should be popping up pretty soon here. Let me see here. I have to just go find the video is what it is. The video is right. It's right there. Boom. Just like that, it saved the video. And then vice versa. So say you want to send something from your tablet to your LG device, to your smartphone, not LG, whatever phone you're using, as long as it's Android. As long as it's Android and it's able to do Nearby Share. So now say you want to send this video here to your phone. So you would hit share, the same steps, the exact same steps. You want to hit nearby share. Now it is looking for me. So it found Kia's phone. So all I have to do is hit share. And then come over to my Android tablet. And then just hit accept. I just need to figure out, is there a way that I don't have to send accept every time? But then I hit accept. And just like that, as you can see, it is loading it up. It's loading it up on here. It is loading it up on here. And boom, just like that, the video is right there on my device, on my phone. So that was just me demonstrating quick share. I'm glad that Android devices have a little, have nearby sharing almost like iPhone. So this is just, this nearby share just lets you send videos, photos seamlessly instead of worrying about trying to Bluetooth them and worry about them compressing the video. And then once you get the video, the picture looks grainy. You don't have to worry about that. As long as your tablet has Bluetooth connected and Wi-Fi connected, and as long as your phone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connected, boom, you can just share seamlessly. You can share photos, videos. I haven't tried anything else. I'm sure you can share documents and everything, but I haven't tried it. So let's try it before I shut this video off. Okay, so I want to share something. Okay, so let's go to notes. I want to see if you can send notes and stuff. So say I want to share this note right here. Then I'll just hit share. Share as an image file. Boom. So yes, you can share your notes to other devices. You hit accept. Hit Kia's phone. Hit accept on your device. And then it's going to open it up as a file. Hit allow. Hit always. And then you want to go to wherever it downloaded it was an image. Downloads. Hold on, let me see here. Let me go back to my file, because this is the first time I shared a file. So let me hit files. Okay. Back. Files. And boom, it's right there. So yes, you can share files. I didn't know that. I guess anything that's able to be shared, you can share it. You can do videos, files, text messages, anything that allows you to share it from one device to another, you can share it. So that was just a video. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.